Welcome everyone to my next video. So previously from my last video we have checked how we can use MCP in Cursor, and we have created in that video a simple MCP. So I will show you quickly what we have here. MCP tool that just fetch information about Jira from provided URL, username, and then token. That's the token we need to create in our Jira profile under the setting, and then we can pass a Jira ticket, and from this Jira ticket then we can fetch information like ID, status, summary, description, etc. And that's object now that is returned was used in Cursor. So we're gonna use just locally standard input output MCP that I showed you, and we're gonna configure it into CrewAI. There's more detail about this in this video, or you can read this documentation. So I have here a simple CrewAI agent, which is a Jira ticket, finding relevant information about Jira, having a backstory, and the task is to retrieve and summarize detail, put them in a bullet point, and then just kicking off that crew with the ticket. That's the ticket number that you probably know from the last video. It's just a ticket about implement pagination component and just demo information here. And then we have declared our standard input output server, the UB. That's the tool I'm using to run. You could also use directly Python. And then the path to our server file, MCP server file, the Jira that I showed you. And this is the token URL username that requires my MCP. And the ticket number would be passed here during the kickoff, so as an input, and that will be consumed in a tool. And yeah, with our MCP server adapter, we have passed the tool and then using the tool here. So now we can kick off. We run main. So you see it's kicked in and found our tool and trigger the bot, the agent that should find the relevant information. And it's mentioning here, I will call the tool. It knows that the input parameter which we defined in MCP, it's exactly same. So ticket underscore ID, and it's passing our ticket number. That's the return type coming from that MCP, and then is being consumed here. And then the final answer from CrewAI. So that was really basic, simple example, but you could deploy MCP somewhere for the testing purpose. You could also deploy in Hugging Face or somewhere with obviously authentication and authorization to prevent misuse of your MCP. And then you can connect to your agents and as a tool. So that's all about this video. Thank you very much, and we'll catch you next time with the next video. Bye bye.